Hello and welcome to How to Play Hangman, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover all aspects for how to play the pen and paper game Hangman. The game is played with 2 or more players. The game is set up by one player choosing a word or phrase and creating blank spaces on the paper to represent each letter in the word or phrase. The object of the game is for a player to correctly guess the hidden word or phrase by guessing letters that might be in the answer. After a player has completed the word or phrase setup, the opposing player will guess a letter. If the letter is in the answer, it is written into its blank space. The opposing player guessed R, and an R is put into every blank space needed. If the letter is not in the answer, the letter guessed is marked on the side and part of the hangman is drawn. A player will get 7 incorrect letter guesses before the hangman drawing is complete and the game is lost. The drawing starts with the gallows and is followed by the head, then the body, then arm, then other arm, then leg, and lastly the other leg. If a player guesses the answer before the drawing is complete, the player wins the game. If not, the game is lost. To make the game easier, additional details may be added to the hangman drawing to give the opponent more guesses. That wraps up How to Play Hangman. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.